my honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Look at this beauty here. This is the COSORI Food Dehydrator in stainless steel. So, this is just an unboxing and a first look at it. The demo video will come later. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, I'm going to show you the boxes it comes in. It came very well packaged up. First it came in this box, the outer box. You don't see that? Then it came in this box. Okay. Premium stainless steel food dehydrator by COSORI. And they sent this to me for my honest review. So it says you can make easy, healthy snacks. You can preserve fruit, meat, snacks, vegetables, bread, and more. No additives needed. BPA-free materials. It says fast dehydrating because the horizontal airflow helps the food dry faster and retain more nutrients and look and taste better. Transparent door. Got a glass door. Let you check your food status. I've seen some dehydrators. They're I think mainly the plastic ones. Well, they don't have a glass door that you can look and see what's happening. Okay, well, anyway, easy to use. Use up to 6 removable trays to organize your food. Stainless steel materials make cleanup a breeze. 2 tray liners, 1 fruit roll-up sheet, and 1 mesh screen. It's rated at 600 watts. And the temperature ranges from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. Get rid of that. Okay, I'm going to show you how the dehydrator looks. And it's pretty heavy. Let me see how much this weighs. 23 pounds. Okay. So I'm going to show you how it looks first. It has carry handles. There's one on each side like this. It has vents on the sides. And a few vents in the back. It has a 3-foot cord. It has this kind of outlet. Plug. And this is my first time ever even touching a dehydrator. I've seen them. I've seen reviews about them and videos. Okay, let's open the door. Let me show you what all it comes with. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these stainless steel mesh. That's a big mesh grid tray. What do they call these? Well, I call them a rack. 6 of these racks, and it has the little guides, just like your regular oven has the guides in here. So you can slide the tray along the slot. And it has the mesh screen to keep smaller items from falling through. And it has, I don't know what this is. I have to read it again. But I think I would use that one down in the bottom. Keep the bottom of it clean. Okay. And I read somewhere that you can use parchment papers to put your fruit and vegetables and meat on to make cleanup easier. So I'm gonna put these back in here. I like the way it looks. And it comes with a recipe book and, of course, the user manual and the warranty. It comes with a 1-year warranty, and if you fill out the card, you can do it online. You get an extra year warranty. So look for that if you buy it. Okay, here's the user manual, and I've read it, and I can't wait to get started. But I think I'm gonna do fruit first. I think I want some pineapple and maybe peach slices, and I'll see what else. Okay, here's the recipe book. And I've been reading this. Got pages folded back. You can make salmon teriyaki jerky, smoked salmon jerky. They got pretty pictures in here. What is this? Smoky maple jerky. What is that? Thai curry jerky. Chipotle pork jerky. Candied sweet and spicy bacon. Now that looks good. It looks and sounds good. Look at that. I wonder if you have to start with raw bacon. Wow. It's hard to believe. You can put raw bacon in here and you marinate it. Then you put it in here. Okay, at 165 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 hours or until done. Wow. I didn't know you put raw food in here. I guess it has to be sliced very thinly. Chocolate covered bananas. I can't wait to get started, y'all. Fruit leather. That's those fruit roll-ups. Look at that. Oatmeal raisin cookies. You can make cookies in here? I didn't get this far in the recipe book yet. Okay. Well. And it comes with the packing slip. So that's everything it comes with. So I can't wait to get started with this. So I want to thank you all for watching this unboxing and first look at the COSORI Premium Stainless Steel Food Dehydrator. And when I do the real review and unboxing, and demonstration, that's when I put down a link and also a code where you can save money if you want to buy one. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Okay, bye. Thumbnail. Got to get the thumbnail. That's a good one. I'm not in it, but that'll do.